Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. And I'm testing another new fragrance. Actually, I'm going to be doing a few coming up again. But the star of today is Nature's Garden Pretty Kitty. And this is a bright, fruity, effervescent-like scent. So got a lot of good reviews. None of the reviewers said it misbehaved, so I'm pretty confident. Usually those bright, fruity scents generally do behave pretty well in cold process. So I'm fairly comfortable that it will. I'm just going to do a drop swirl. And we're going with Mad Micah's Neons. And one of these is going to be, guess what? Pretty Kitty from Mad Micah's. And get your sunglasses, because look at that. We're also going to be swirling in Grape Ape from Mad Micah's. And we're going to be swirling in Flotation Device Orange from Mad Micah's. And on the frosting on the top, I'm still debating what to do. So I'll probably figure that out when I'm off camera, and you'll see it when I get started. So how about we get started making some soap. Soap in about 86 degrees, which is just perfect for this recipe. So I will start by slowly, carefully pouring the lye water into the oils and rinsing the container and setting it upside down in the sink for safety. Bring this to a very, very basic emulsification, like always. If you've watched me, you know what I'm doing. That's good. So this first container is going to be our frosting. So I'll just pour it and set it off out of the way. And these three will be the main body of our soap. And close is good enough. Alright, so let's get our three colors in. So let's blend these and see how they look. I am going to blend the powder directly in, although I usually stir it, but this is not a mica. It needs a little more mixing. hope our fragrance behaves, because this is about the consistency that I like to pour. So I will hand stir the fragrance in to play it safe. And I'll save that for our frosting. Good. I'm going to just give these a stir with the spatula as well to just kind of get those edges and scrape the sides, just to be certain that I have all that colorant mixed in. But everything's looking good. This is just the consistency I really like. So no ricing, no acceleration. So let's pour this. So I am going to start with the pretty kitty, since that's the star. And I want the orange in the middle. So here we go. It is thickening a little. I'm glad I didn't stick blend it. Okay, so I will shut this down for just a minute while I get the soap frosting mixed up and decide what I'm going to do on the top. But so far, so good, so I will be back in just a minute. And we are back, and I'm ready to see what this one looks like inside with all these bright, ooh, look at that, these bright, vivid neons. Right now, it doesn't smell particularly good, but that's not really uncommon with fragrances. It's been in a hot, caustic environment. The pH is still probably elevated. Oh, but look at it. Yeah, look at that. That's the end piece. that's what I have today. This is one of those I'm super happy with. It just really couldn't have been any better. Got some great drops on those and bright, vivid colors. So folks, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later this weekend. Stay safe, take good care of yourselves. Bye.